What's up, y'all? So I'm back with another video, and I did not do an intro for the video, so this is why I'm doing this intro now. I know y'all probably have questions on this wig, and then I have on since it's looking cute, I will have a video coming for this wig, so definitely I will have a video for this wig, so definitely stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, become a part of the Sweets family, because if you're not sweet, I don't know if you heard of Sour Patch Kids, first they're sour, then they're sweet. Like, we don't do that over here, honey. We don't do that. You're either sour or you're sweet. So if you're not subscribed, you're sour. You're super sour. And if you are subscribed, you're sweet. Okay? We hella sweet. No cavities. And I know that's corny, but I'ma stick with it. So anyway, let me hurry up because my nose is starting to sweat because this ring light is it's just hot up in here. But anyway, y'all, so this is a video of me waxing, getting cute for my man or whatever. But yeah, I know y'all clicking this because y'all want to see something funny or whatever. Y'all want to see me in pain. But anyway, let me stop talking and just get straight to the video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I definitely do not have an outro for the video, so just watch it until the end. And this is the outro right here. I'll see y'all in my next video. Duh. I was watching a video of this girl, and she was saying that the worst part is the upper part. I don't know if I think that. I think that the worst part when you're waxing down there is the lips. I don't know about you, but I think it's the lips. I'm nervous because I'm about to do this. So remember, this I definitely was not gonna forget about the powder. Okay, so I'm gonna put the powder on. And usually when I start waxing, look at the powder. Usually when I start waxing, you guys, down there, I always start off with the top. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I put the powder. Y'all, should I do an update on this wig? If y'all go back and watch my video, like a couple of videos from this one, you will see where this wig is from. Okay, I'm so scared. I cannot with myself. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Okay. You already put it on. It's no going back. Oh my god. I'm so scared right now. Why did I even do this? I told myself that I need to get waxes, but I shouldn't do it myself. No, stop. I'm okay. I forgot y'all was there for a second. Y'all, let me tell y'all, when I be in the freaking wax center and they're waxing me, I be talking to myself and I just be like, girl, you got this, it's okay, it's okay. And by the time I could finish saying you got this, the lady be on the next strip. And I'll be like, oh my god, woo. Like right now, I didn't think that I could get beyond that, but I'm definitely beyond that. And this happens every time I'm waxing myself. And I gotta be like, oh my god, you got this, you got this, you got this, you got this. No, stop being negative, okay? Oh god, mommy. I'm so scared. Do it for the cause, girl. Do it for the... Nah, I don't know if I could do this. Nope. Okay. No, I cannot. No, I cannot.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Being a little... Oh my god. Y'all, I think I want to go back to shading. You got this. Do you got this? Wait, I'm scared. And it's taking me long to do one. What time is it? 9:07. Wow, I thought a lot of time passed by. Wow, and they got a lot of hair. Bruh, I'm seeing stars. Ow! Ah! Y'all, it took out a lot of hair, but at the same time, it's not enough. Yo, and it pulled it. How does it do that? It pulls it from the freaking follicle. That's crazy. I don't know if I can do that again. That was just one. Nah, I don't know. Y'all, it would not be that bad if when you do it, it just gets every single hair in that spot that you put the wax. But the fact that it doesn't get all of the hair at once, no. And then I gotta go back and do it again. Shut up. I almost died, and that was just one. Look at her. She would look so nice though. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. That was tough. Let me do a little. Let me do a little. How do you pull? Do you pull down? I want to say that's why it hurts so much. I think I pulled it in the wrong direction. If I'm being honest, I think I pulled it in the wrong direction. Don't get me wrong, it still hurts. But I feel like okay. Yeah, I think I pulled it in the wrong direction. That definitely hurt. And I'm not sure if that hurt. I don't know, but y'all see me pull that now. You know that wasn't as bad as the first time. I don't usually bleed when I do this. It looks good. I've seen myself bleed before. So that's why I'm kind of like, what? So I did like doing it like that, you know, a little bit. It was better to do it a little bit. Yeah, it was better to do it a little bit, not a whole lot. And on top of that, I think I was pulling it off and okay, so say you put your wax on. The way that I did it, I pulled it up instead of pulling it down. I think you're supposed to go with your hair follicles in the direction that it grows out of. I don't know, but I think I pulled it the wrong way. Woo. Also, I will link this down. Alright, y'all, so I just wanted to let you know before it happens that the video is about to end in like 5 seconds. Don't say I didn't warn you. Down below, but this is also from Amazon, like to basically extract blackheads and stuff like that.